Now we are going to see how we can use the Finkelstein reaction and how the question will be asked. Either they will ask directly, they will ask the naming reaction. That is, write a short note on Finkelstein reaction. So that kind of question. But usually you will get some conversion type of question. Then how you will identify the question whether I need to apply the Finkelstein reaction or not. These are the techniques. See here, they are asking, say, identify, first we have to, any conversion, first we should identify general method. For example, this is the compound. I need to convert it into one iode of butane. So it is an alkene. It is an alkene. Correct? Iode of butane, it is an alkyl iodide. It is an alkyl iodide. So directly it is not possible for the preparation. Okay, directly it is not possible for the conversion. But Finkelstein method, what actually we are actually using? Before that, we should know the concept, correct? So in Finkelstein method, what we are using, we are taking a haloalkanes, then we are adding sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone. In the presence of dry acetone. So what is actually happening? This iodide, it is actually replacing this X, correct? And this X will be combining with sodium. So we will get alkyl iodide and then sodium halide. Is that clear? So directly we cannot prepare an alkene into iodo substituents. Is that clear? So first what we have to do, see, alkenes, we need to prepare into a haloalkane. Okay. Then what we have to do? Then we have to apply the Finkelstein concept, Finkelstein reaction here. Then what will happen? Then we can prepare a alkyl iodide. Suppose in the question, if they are giving directly the haloalkanes, only one method we can prepare the alkyl iodide. But if they are giving an alkene, then what we have to do? We have to use Markovnikov's rule. Then we have to convert it into a haloalkane. Then what we have to use? Use the Finkelstein method. Then convert it into alkyl iodide. So here what we can use? We can use hydrogen halide, that is HBr. Correct? HBr, Markovnikov's rule or anti-Markovnikov's rule, peroxide effect, whatever may be, depends on where we need to substitute the iodide. Accordingly, we have to apply the this one, which one? Hydrogen halide. We can use it. Now we'll see the first one. That is the but1-ene. I need to convert this into which one? Iodo butane. So 1 to 1 iodo butane. First, what we can use? I told you it is actually we can use HBr, either Markovnikov's rule or peroxide effect. Correct? Depends on the product what we want. Here I am using peroxide. Why we are using peroxide? Because I need iodine to be attached at the first position. Suppose if I am using only HBr, for example, CH3, CH2, single bond CH, double bond CH2. See, if I am applying HBr, only HBr, without the peroxide, what happened? It will follow Markovnikov's rule. Correct? Markovnikov's rule. What is happening? Positive, negative. Positive will go and attach here, and Br will go and attach here. Correct? Now, what happens? CH3, CH2, CH, so here bromine will be attaching, and here we are getting CH3. But after, if we are using the Finkelstein reaction, what happened? The bromine will be removing, iodine will be attaching here, but we will not get one iode of butane. Correct? Instead of that, CH3, see here, CH3, CH2, CH, iodine will be attaching here because bromine will be replaced by iodine after Finkelstein reaction. Correct? Then what will happen? This is actually, CH3. So this actually I am getting what? 2 iode of butane. So depends on the product what we want. We have to use peroxide effect, or either only we have to use the Markovnikov's rule. See, here I am using the peroxide effect. Why? Because if we are using Markovnikov's rule, I am getting a 2 iode of butane. But if I'm using anti-Marconi-Cost rule, what will happen? This positive part, it will go and attach here, but the negative part, it will go and attach here. So we will get what bromine will be attaching at the first carbon. So immediately I can replace the bromine to iodine along with the Finkelstein reaction method. Where this is the 1-iodobutane. So this is how we can convert an alkene into a which one? Alkyl iodide. Is that clear? If they are giving directly, if they are giving the haloalkanes, but directly we can use the Finkelstein method. Directly we can convert it into an iodo product. Hope it's that clear. Now this is also same method. Write an equation for the preparation of 1-iodobutane. Same 1-iodobutane da 1-chlorobutane da. So random substituent enga first position irukku. See the first one another 1-chlorobutane. 1-chlorobutane. See this is the 1-chlorobutane. Just we need to apply what in the chlorine. It has to be removed and it has to be replaced with iodine. That's all. So directly what I can use? I can use the Finkelstein method because both are at the first position. Now see this one propene to iodopropane. Here also it is actually converting an alkene to alkyl iodide. Whether I can use directly whether I can convert? No, it's not possible. So what I need to do? Alkene first has to be converted into a haloalkane either by using a Marconi-Cost rule or anti-Marconi-Cost rule. See here, proper 1-ene. Clear? Proper 1-ene. See proper 1-ene. What happen if I'm using the halogen, like normal Marconi-Cost rule, for example, CH3, proper CH3, CH double bond is CH2. First, see, we will see both the methods. See here, if I'm using Marconi-Cost rule, what happen if I'm adding HBr, where it will go and attach, CH will go and attach here, Br will go and attach here. What is the product I'm getting? CH3, CH, here I'm getting Br, then CH3. Correct? But after using Finkelstein, if I'm using Finkelstein method reaction, what happened? Iodine will be at the second position, CH3, CH, iodine, then I'm getting CH3. So this is not we want. Correct? What we want first position iodine should be attached. So what I have to use? I can use the anti-Marconi-Cost rule, again adding HBr. Correct? So what can be done? CH3, then next CH2, then next CH2, then here we will be adding, first Br, then after if we are using the Finkelstein method, reaction method, what can be the product? CH3, CH2, CH2, then iodine. So this is what we want. So that's the reason we are using which one? Peroxide method. So depends on the product what we want, what they have asked, depends on we have to prepare whether I need to use the Marconi-Cost rule or we need to use the anti-Marconi-Cost rule. Hope it's that clear. Okay, so thank you all. This is what the today's session. So please go through the videos regularly in order to maximize your marks. Thank you.